Hi, I'm Gary Baker, Creative Director with Unite Hair, and I want to introduce to you three wonderful sets here today that are going to be looking at thickening hair, great for blowouts, and also great for blonding. First off, we're going to look at the booster range, which we've got a booster shampoo, conditioner, and thickening cream. Available for all hair types, but obviously if you are lacking volume in your hair, this is what I highly recommend. This will actually keep moisture retention in the hair, thicken that hair cuticle and create that volume. What I want to show you more of though is the thickening cream itself. Has to be used with heat, can be applied throughout the whole head and then blow dried in. Okay, must remember, blow dry this in. This will thicken and plump the hair up because it locks in moisture once you've had your hair washed. So a really great tool. This has no stickiness to this whatsoever. It's a very light cream, really user friendly to use, great on all hair types. Next, I'd like to introduce to you the blowout section. 7-second shampoo, conditioner, and a 7-second blowout cream. Obviously this, as in all like the 7 seconds range, great moisture and reparative qualities. The 7 seconds blowout cream, this has got great longevity to your blowout. As you can see, a large container, so you can be generous with the amount of product. You put it straight through from roots to ends. And also, the great one about this, it is amazing at controlling frizz. Really good in those environments where you've got a lot of moisture in the hair. This will give great longevity to your blowout. Finally, we're going to look at the blonder section. We have the blonder shampoo, the daily conditioner, and the blonder fix. Now, the blonder shampoo is very unique. I'll have to look at this one separately. Got a great fragrance, and when you open up the shampoo, you'll notice it's the same color as the bottle. And then the blonder fix, which is a conditioner and toner in one, and it's a great reparative for that blonde hair that has been slightly compromised. Amazing product. So once again, the takeaway from this, you've got great three sets that are going to give you either great volume, great longevity to your blowout, or great toning properties for your blondes.